3D digital packaging moves fast and costs less with König's 3D array spray technology. No masking fuss. Full area image processing makes precision 3D coding simple and accurate, like printing an image, only quicker. You get 400 dpi accuracy in one quick pass. No slow steps to hold you back. Spray valves spread a wider fan-shaped pattern over a large area. Dispensing valves use finer needles for nanoliter level precision. König's 3D array printing nozzles cover an over 5 cm glue spray area with ease. Over 1,000 spray holes powered by a piezoelectric crystal hit 20,000 sprays per second. Picoliter dots, spaced micron levels apart, keep drops uniform and dense, each spray hole controlled for lean efficiency. Traditional coding drags on with complex planning and multiple passes that stack up expenses. König coats an entire area in one 3D pass, saving you time and effort. Traditional steps mean fussy prep, multiple coats, slow curing, and extra work, driving up labor and costs. König simplifies 3D coding with whole area imaging and a Gerber diagram. No tricky setup. This efficient system gives you high-quality 3D packaging, slashing costs. A Phi 0.15 mm glue point skips extra steps, while a 1 micrometer test hole is avoided with pinpoint accuracy. A UV LED speeds curing, while glue layers build 3D protection fast for strong results. Fence printing works with a 0.3 mm gap and a single layer thickness of 15 microns. Fill it with the same or different glue for tough, custom protection. König 3D digital packaging offers multiple protection options with ease. Import the coding area image, tweak print times and speed, and get precise 3D coding, no extra prep. An adjustable track whip and reliable 3-axis motion platform let the high-precision CCD system correct for flawless, accurate production. A double-head, water-cooled UV LED cures instantly. No more slow waits. A single layer thickness adjusts to 15, 30, 50 microns. A 400 mm by 320 mm square area packages any form in 15 seconds flat. The KP400 3D digital packaging solution. Precision dispensing and coding integration. Revolutionary protection. Lean and simple.